Hello everyone, and welcome to today's session on techniques of food preparation. This presentation is brought to you by the Assistant Professor Suhel Bhendawade, Department of BVoc Food Processing Technology, Professor Sambhajirao Kadam College, Deur, Satara. Food preparation is the most essential process that transforms raw food materials into safe, nutritious, and palatable meals. In this video, we'll explore the different techniques of food preparation, their principles and applications. In this presentation, we will be discussing the techniques of food preparation. The session is divided into 4 parts: an introduction to food preparation, classification of techniques, dry heat methods, moist heat methods, and combination methods. Techniques of food preparation. Food preparation is the basic process through which raw ingredients are transformed into safe, nutritious, and palatable meals. These techniques not only enhance the taste, flavor, and appearance of food but also improve its digestibility by destroying harmful microorganisms. Food preparation helps in increasing the variety of dishes, preserving nutrients, and even improving the bioavailability of certain components. Broadly, these methods are classified into dry heat, moist heat, and combination techniques. Understanding these is essential in food science and nutrition, as they form the foundation for preparing healthy and appealing foods. Classification of food preparation. Food preparation methods can be classified into 3 broad categories. First, dry heat methods, where food is cooked without water using hot air or fat. Second, moist heat methods, which involve cooking with water or steam. And third, combination methods, where both dry and moist heat are used in sequence. Dry heat methods. Dry heat methods are cooking techniques where food is prepared without water. Heat is transferred through hot air, hot fat, or a heated surface. These methods usually involve higher temperatures, which bring about desirable changes such as browning, crispness, and the development of flavor. Caramelization of sugars and the Maillard reaction in proteins give foods their appealing aroma and taste. Common dry heat methods include baking, roasting, grilling, broiling, toasting, frying, and sauteing. These techniques are especially suitable for tender foods where a crisp texture and appealing flavor are desired. Proper control of temperature and time is very important to avoid nutrient loss and burning. Moist heat methods. Moist heat cooking involves the use of water or steam to transfer heat to food. Liquids like stock, milk, or broth may also be used. These methods are usually carried out at temperatures at or below boiling, which is ideal for foods that need gentle and uniform heating. Moist heat helps soften tough fibers in cereals, pulses, and meats, making them more digestible. If done properly, it also helps retain nutrients. Common examples of moist heat methods include boiling, simmering, stewing, poaching, steaming, and pressure cooking. Each method has unique advantages depending on the food and the desired outcome. Combination methods. Combination methods use both dry and moist heat in a single process. First, food is exposed to dry heat to develop flavor, color, and texture. Then liquid is added to complete cooking and achieve tenderness. This is particularly useful for tougher foods like meat, poultry, and pulses. The dry heat step enhances appearance and flavor, while the moist heat step ensures softness and palatability. Examples include braising, stewing, and pot roasting. These methods combine the best of both cooking techniques, resulting in nutritious, flavorful, and easily digestible dishes. Thank you for watching this presentation on techniques of food preparation. I hope this session has helped you understand the importance of dry heat, moist heat, and combination cooking methods in food science and processing.